Are you looking for some zealous reviews online? Are you asking yourself, is zealous a scam or is it an amazing way for me to make some money from home? Well, my name is Karen Angeli from KarenAngeli.com. I teach and train network marketers how to build their businesses in the online space, and I also talk about some of my favorite products and services as well. And today I want to answer the question of, is Zealous, the network marketing company, is it a scam? Is it something that can actually make you some amazing money, or is it just going to be a waste of your time? All right, unicorns, let's talk about this amazing network marketing company and what it can do for you. First of all, let's talk about what Zealous is, and then I also want to kind of talk about what Zealous is not, so you can understand a little bit more about this opportunity and know if it's the right home-based opportunity for you. All right, so let's first talk about what Zealous is. Zealous is actually a network marketing company that's based around some of the most amazing products I've ever used, okay? There's products like that Spirulina. There are products like that Phycosci AM/PM Sport that is derived from phycocyanin. The products are amazing and they are based on science and they have truly been created in such a way that no one else can create, okay? The creation of the products is actually patented, okay? Nobody else can come in and try and create the same products that Zealous has. Zealous is also an amazing company that has some pretty awesome leadership, okay? I don't know if you've heard names like Ann Feinstein or Tim Edwards, Austin Zuloff, Brandy Shaver, Whit and Carrie Hyam. These are just some of the amazing leaders that are a part of the Zealous community, okay? So there's quite a diverse range of amazing network marketers that have been in the industry for years and years and are all about using the latest tips, tricks, strategies to actually build a successful home business, okay? Which ultimately, everyone is looking for a way to make some money from home, especially during times like right now. So it's probably one of the best ideas to connect yourself with leaders that are actually successfully building their business from home right now. Zealous is also a company with some pretty awesome timing on its side, okay? The company is actually 6 years old. However, here in the United States, it's only a couple months old. And to be honest, this is my favorite kind of opportunity because it's already proven itself to be successful over in Europe. Building an amazing empire first in Europe, having that solidity, and then coming to the United States and opening up a whole new region is literally like opening up a whole new ground floor opportunity. But it's already got the stability and it's already proven itself. That's my favorite part about this particular opportunity because it's got stability on its side. I personally don't love the brand spanking new companies because they haven't proven themselves yet. How do I know that I build an amazing company within that business and I suddenly realized that I'm out of a paycheck because that company went under after another couple years? That's the beauty of the Zealous opportunity right now. It's already proven itself. It's got that timing on its side, and it's basically a ground floor opportunity here in North America. So it's pretty stinking cool. And like I already mentioned, this company's products are to die for. I literally feel like Wonder Woman when I'm taking these products. And the best part about them is that they're backed by science and they have quite a specific way of being made that nobody else can come in and duplicate. And what Zealous has actually done is that they've created a product that is so power packed with nutrients that your body actually needs, that it's actually going to absorb and be able to use, that your body now starts to do the things that it's supposed to do, like heal, like feeling better, like helping your immune system be boosted. Now that we've talked a little bit about what Zealous is, let's talk a little bit about what Zealous is not. Zealous is not a get-rich-quick scheme. I think that this is one of the biggest downfalls within the network marketing industry that causes people to not want to do network marketing is that most people think that this is a get-rich-quick scheme, that this is a way for me to be able to make money fast And while you can make money fast, the thing is that most people don't. It takes time, it takes work, okay? And that's the thing I want you to understand right now. There are going to be some skill sets that you're going to want to learn if you want to build within any network marketing company, okay? And it's no different when it comes to Zealous. However, what I love about our team, our entire community, is that we are so focused on learning the skill sets of attraction marketing and building our businesses 100% online. It's actually a business of the future. It's a business that's looking forward, not looking backward at some of the age-old processes that a lot of network marketers will teach today, okay? It's actually got some pretty awesome leadership, like I said earlier, where we are teaching people how to build online and how to attract the right prospects to you. The second thing that Zealous is not, is it's not a pyramid scheme. When you look up on Google what a pyramid scheme is, Google is actually pretty specific around the parameters of what a pyramid scheme actually is. And when you look at the nitty-gritty of what a pyramid scheme is, a pyramid scheme has all of these people joining a company, but there are no products or services that are available to the people that are joining. It's literally a company that's based on a house of cards, okay? The best thing about Zealous is that we have an amazing product that is connected to this amazing compensation plan. There are some pretty cool products that we can sell and we can make a pretty solid commission on and make money selling the product, not only selling the product, but actually bringing people into our business that also want to do the same thing as well. It's kind of like owning your own franchise. Think about places like McDonald's, okay? A McDonald's is its own franchise, right? Somebody comes in and wants to sell that McDonald's product. Well, it's the same thing. When you're looking at Zealous, you get to be your own franchise owner where you actually get to sell some of these awesome products that you love. It's pretty phenomenal when you look at it. So when we're thinking about what a pyramid scheme actually is, a pyramid scheme is literally all these people joining into a company without having products or services that are connected to it. That's not what Zealous is. The third thing that Zealous is not a flash in the pan company, okay? Think about what I said when I first started talking about some of the things that Zealous is. It's already proven itself to have success over in Europe. So the beauty about Zealous is that it's here to stay. It's already proven itself in Europe, and now it's here to prove itself here in North America. And it's pretty special, some of the things that we can do as a ground floor opportunity, just like Zealous is. And it also does not have these Me Too products that some network marketing companies have, okay? So think about when you're looking at any network marketing company, think about what kind of products or services even are you going to be sharing? Can somebody come in and duplicate the product that's being shared? Or are there patented ways to keep people from coming in and duplicating the exact thing that's happening? That's what I love about the Zealous products. They actually have a patented photobioreactor that helps to extract the spirulina, the phycocyanin, so that no other company can do exactly what Zealous does. It's pretty cool when you really look at it and see what Zealous has done with their amazing products. So listen, if you've loved what you've heard so far and you're kind of intrigued about learning some more about Zealous, I dropped some links in the description section below where you can either get some more information, or if you're ready to make the leap and you want to join an amazing company with some amazing leadership and an amazing upline, there's actually a link for you to join under me right now. And if you decide today's your day and you want to join, then I actually have an amazing incentive for you. It's an 8-day, 7-night vacation of your choice. You can go to places like Bali, Greece. You can travel in the United States. You can travel in Canada. You can travel to Fiji if you like. It's an 8-day, 7-night amazing vacation trip. So if you're thinking to yourself that you're looking for an amazing company with amazing leadership and some pretty awesome products along the side as well, then go ahead and tap that link and let's connect and let's start building the business of your dreams today.